Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a prison you can't see? Most people think they are in control of their habits, but for many, it's the habit that controls them. Today, we're peeling back the layers of a silent epidemic. These are the 6 levels of addiction, and where you stand could determine your future. Number 1. The spark of curiosity. It starts innocently. A click, a search, or a pop-up. You tell yourself it's just temporary or just for fun. But behind the scenes, your brain is already firing off massive amounts of dopamine, marking this as a shortcut to pleasure. The trap is set. Number 2. The routine. Now it's a habit. You reach for it whenever you're bored, stressed, or lonely. It becomes your escape at the end of the day. You still think you can quit anytime you want, but your brain is already being rewired to crave that high. Number 3. Desensitization. The normal stuff doesn't work anymore. Your brain builds a tolerance, demanding more extreme, more frequent, and more intense content to feel the same thrill. You are chasing a ghost, and the rabbit hole is getting deeper. Number 4. The double life. This is where the shame kicks in. You start hiding your screen, clearing your history, and withdrawing from real-life relationships. You feel a heavy weight in your chest after every session, yet you find yourself going back to it like a magnet. Number 5. The brain fog. Your energy is gone. Your focus is shattered. You experience brain fog, social anxiety, and a loss of motivation for your real-world goals. The digital world feels more real than the physical one, and your self-esteem is at an all-time low. Number 6. Total enslavement. At this final level, you feel powerless. It's no longer about pleasure, it's about survival. You feel like a passenger in your own body, watching your life pass by while you remain chained to a screen. You've lost your sense of self. But listen closely. No matter what level you are on, the exit door is still open. Your brain is incredibly resilient. It can heal. It can rewire. But it starts with a brutal, honest decision. That you were meant to be is waiting for you on the other side of this struggle. Stop being a spectator in your own life. Reclaim your focus. Reclaim your soul. Delete the apps, block the sites, and walk back into the light. Your future self is counting on you.